My name is Grace. I am 30 years old. I have been married to David for 7 years. He is 32 years old now. He is my husband. He is kind. He is polite. He is soft-spoken. But life with David is not easy. I work full-time in an office. I start at 8 a.m. and finish at 6 p.m. I write reports, I answer emails, I attend meetings. When I come home, my work is not finished. I cook dinner, I wash clothes, I clean the house. I take care of the children. I have 2 kids, Sarah, 7 years old, and Noah, 5 years old. I wake them up, I pack their lunch, I send them to school. I work from morning until night. David is a good man. He never raises his voice. He never insults me. He never ignores me. But he also never helps much. He says, "You are strong, Grace. You don't need me." At first, I was happy. I felt proud. I wanted to do everything from my family. I wanted my children to have a good life. I wanted our home to be clean and happy. But slowly, I grew tired. I grew tired of cooking alone. I grew tired of cleaning alone. I grew tired of waking up early and sleeping late. I grew tired of doing everything and no one noticing. Sometimes, after the children sleep, I go to the bathroom and cry quietly. I lock the door. I sit on the cold floor. I let the tears fall. I remember my life before marriage. I was in campus. I had dreams. I wanted to be a teacher. I loved reading, writing, and helping children learn. Life was simple. Life was beautiful. I had freedom. I had friends. I had hope. I had plans. I wanted to finish my studies, maybe go abroad one day. Then I met David. I fell in love. I thought marriage was the best thing that could happen to me. I thought love would make life perfect. But soon after, I became pregnant. It was hard. Everything changed. There were bills to pay, rent, school fees, groceries. We had no money, no one to take care of the baby while I studied. I had to leave campus. I had to find a job immediately. Before long, I became pregnant again. And just like that, my dreams were paused. Completely. The idea of going back to my studies faded. There was too much to do, too many responsibilities, too little money. I work long nights to finish reports. I wake before sunrise to cook breakfast. I clean the house until my hands are red and sore. I fold clothes until my back hurts. I take care of the children even when I am exhausted. I never complain. I do it because I love my family. But sometimes, when I am alone, I let myself remember. I remember the girl I was, full of dreams and hope. I remember the woman I wanted to become. And I cry because I feel that life took it all away. Sometimes I whisper to myself, "Did I make a mistake? Did I give up too soon? Could I have done something else?" I feel guilty for feeling tired. I feel guilty for feeling sad. But the truth is, life became a cycle of endless work. Early mornings, late nights, rushing between home, office, and children. No rest, no pause, no space for myself. I look at my children and smile, but deep inside, I mourn the life I left behind. I mourn the career I never pursued. I mourn the dreams I cannot reach. And yet, I keep going because they need me, because love is stronger than regret. One evening, I asked David, "Why don't you help me sometimes?" He said, "Grace, I work too. I am tired too." I said, "But I do everything. You come home and sit." He looked at me and smiled. He said, "You are doing great. Relax." I wanted more than words. I wanted action. I wanted him to lift a pan, fold clothes, or play with the children. Days passed. I tried to hide my anger. I tried to smile. But inside, I felt invisible. One Saturday, I fell asleep on the sofa. The children were playing quietly. I was too tired to cook, too tired to clean. David came home late from work. He saw me asleep. He woke me gently. He said, "Grace, you look exhausted." I tried to smile. I said, "I am fine, just a little tired." But he saw my hands, red from washing dishes. He saw the pile of clothes on the floor. He saw the dirty plates stacked on the sink. Then he said something I never expected. He said, "Grace, I didn't see this before. I thought everything was fine. I thought you were happy." I looked at him. Tears filled my eyes. I said, "I am happy, David, but I am tired. I want us to share this burden." He nodded slowly. He went to the kitchen. He washed the dishes. He folded the clothes. He played with the children. That night, I cried quietly in my room, not because I was sad, because I finally felt seen. The next morning, David told me he had a plan. He said, "Grace, I talked to my boss. I will work from home 2 days a week. I want to help you." I was surprised. I said, "Are you serious?" He smiled. He said, "I want you to rest. I want you to feel loved. I want us to share everything." From that day, life changed. David helped with everything. He learned to cook simple meals. He learned to fold clothes. He learned the joy of being part of the home, not just the provider. He even apologized to the children one day for not playing with them enough. He realized that being a husband is not just about giving money. It's about love, support, and presence. I learned something important. A tired wife can keep going alone, but a happy wife can move mountains when she is seen, supported, and loved. Now our home is full of laughter. Our children smile more. David and I share the load, and I smile not because I do everything, but because we do everything together. If you felt this story, please like, share, and subscribe. Remember, love is not just about words. It is about seeing, helping, and being there for each other.